Okay, welcome to the NetSpot Mahara. If you look up here, you will notice that the URL is http://cqu-mahara.netspot.com.au. It's important that this is where you have your account and not at mahara.org. Okay, so we start by logging in. Okay, so this is what you'll see apart from the site administration, because this is actually my account. Okay, so you've got some tabs up here which allow you to do a whole bunch of things like organise your profile, set up your portfolio, have your own groups, and change your settings as well as logging out. Okay, so let's just start with my portfolio, which is probably the heart and soul of Mahara. Okay, you'll notice that I've got a number of views here that I've already set up. And we'll go back to it a bit later, but yours will be actually blank when you first start. Alright, so you've got my views, my files and my blog. So we'll start with my files. We'll upload a file. First of all, what we'll do is we'll create a folder. This folder we'll call demo. That's for demonstration. And the tags we just use demonstration. Okay. Separate the tags by a comma. Alright, the tags are just to make things easy to find down the track after you've actually put something in there. So when you want to search for it, it's a lot easier to find. Okay, so we'll click Create Folder. And what we should have here is our demo folder. You can see that right here. Okay, so let's upload a file to that. So we'll open demo. There it is. And we'll upload a file to it by clicking, I'll go back, by clicking, whoops. Try again, demo. And we'll upload a file. Clicking on here, upload file. Now first of all, you've got to confirm that yes, you have the permission to upload that. You own or control the copyright of the file. Yeah, in this case we do. So let's then just browse for a file. Here's one that I selected earlier. It's Sailing Cape York. So it's actually a video file, an MP4 file. Click open. It's up there. Now I can change the name of that too, so rather than have that, I might just go Sailing Cape York. Nice, okay, so description. Okay, Journal of a Sailing Trip. Tags, comma. Capitalize the C. And Hobie Cat. Alright, okay, so upload the file. File's uploading, and very shortly you'll see the file actually appear in the demo folder. It's a decent sized file, it might take a while to upload this one. Okay, so while we're waiting for that to upload, let's have a look at my blogs. Okay, so you can set up your own blog just by clicking Add Blog. I've got a few there already, which I've done as demonstrations, and we'll call this Professional Journal. For want of a better word. Okay, a bit of description. where I record my ooh. VA. Call my learning J-O-U. Right, okay. Tags again. Keep doing that. Okay, create the blog. Okay, so we've got professional journal here. We click on that. And we've now got a chance to add a posting. So, say introduction. Oh, this is my first posting. Okay, nice. All right. Tags again. And you can upload a file to it, or you can browse your existing files, and you can save this as a draft. We'd actually save the post as our first posting. And you can see in this, that's the first posting. You could add another posting called second posting. Okay. Tag. And scroll down the bottom again and save the post. And we've got our two postings there. Notice that the date that they posted is actually indicated on the actual blog itself, there and there, which is fantastic. Okay, so we've done files and blogs, so let's have a look at some views. Now, this will be the final part of this particular tutorial, but I just want to give you an idea of some of the things that you can actually do with your views. So let's start with a course review that I've done for managing e-learning. I put this together in a Mahara view. It's a single column, okay, and it's got an image there, so that's in there by error, so I will just remove that. Click on the cross, that removes it. Nice, okay. Alright, so we go back up and we go down, so we'll save that. Save those changes. Done. Right, so we'll click on it again, have a look. Alright. Okay, so this is the review. So there's a bit of an executive summary there. These are links. Okay, so it's actually an anchor that's inside the page, which goes to the final list of recommendations. Talk about the background design. Now this is in a single column. Okay, you can have as many columns as you like on the page. I chose this way because I wanted to display some graphs in a nice large format. Okay, those graphs are actually stored on Flickr, in my Flickr account. And what you can see there is a whole heap of analysis around the data that I've gathered from both the teaching team and also the students who did managing e-learning in 2009. Okay, as you can see, there's a bit of work involved with that. That data came from Moodle. That was the activity of the students. And these ones related to the questionnaire the student filled out. Okay, and you'll see down the bottom here I've included an appendix, which is a file which is the actual student instrument that I used, and that can be downloaded. So, if you're using a PC, it'll look slightly different, but this is pretty much what you get. So that's an example of the questions that I asked. Okay, alright. Alrighty, okay. So we go back to my portfolio. As you see, you've got my views, my files, and my blogs. So that's basically what we covered in this tutorial. How to upload files, how to make folders, how to start a blog, how to post to the blog, and some examples of the types of views that we can make. Stay tuned for the next tutorial in Mahara.